Today we are going to be showing you how to link your SkySlope and Zipi accounts. Now the first thing you'll do is log into your Zipi. Once you're within Zipi, you're going to navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll navigate to the Apps section. Clicking on Apps, we are then going to connect our SkySlope. After we select Connect, give it just a few moments to gather all the data it needs to bring in this integration. After your connection has been configured, the next thing you'll need to do is grab your access key and secret key from your SkySlope account. You can find both of those keys by navigating into SkySlope, logging in, and selecting your name in the top right-hand corner. Underneath your name, you are then going to go to My Account. Within My Account, you'll see an Integrations tab on the right-hand side. Within that Integrations tab, what you're then going to do is generate a brand new key for yourself. Pressing Generate Key is going to give you some unique access keys for you to type directly into those two fields within Zipi. Now that we have our access key and secret key available to us, all we'll do is simply copy and paste this into the Zipi application. Once you have both of those keys in the corresponding areas, you'll simply click Authorize. Now we're going to go ahead and click Continue to allow this connection to happen. All right, so we have successfully connected our SkySlope account to our Zipi account, and we may now close this tab. Now we can see that Zipi is thinking a little bit, and our SkySlope integration is now going to change. Now that we have everything linked up via SkySlope, our next step is going to be going into Deals. We can go into Deals by navigating to the left-hand side of the menu bar and selecting Deal. Now that we're in Deals, our next step is to navigate to the Create button. Pressing Create, it's going to give us two options. We can go ahead and manually create using Zipi, but for today's example, we're going to be using SkySlope. Once you press SkySlope, it's going to bring you to an additional tab to pull deals in based on creation date and close of escrow date. Now I do have my SkySlope open, so what I'm going to be doing is grabbing any deals I'm ready to bring directly into Zipi. So let's start with this first one as an example. We have 1320 Muirlands Drive. Typing in 1320, we can go ahead and search for that exact listing. It's then going to be brought up for us here. We can double check to make sure all of the information is correct, and we can start that sync. Now we have successfully brought in this deal into Zipi. Now that we have brought in that singular deal, we can see it showing up in our Deals tab right here in the center. We're able to see that it's active within Zipi as well as active within SkySlope. Now you may be wondering if this is going to be your workflow for every single individual deal. Don't worry, you can change your SkySlope integration settings and you can bring in your deals all at once or even have auto create on. Now let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Right back up to your profile. Clicking on Apps, we are now going to go into our SkySlope integration settings. Within our integration settings, we do have a few options here. Right here, we can go ahead and decide if we want to auto-create all of our deals from SkySlope and add additional triggers and notifications based off of transaction type and transaction status. Now we can also bring in things from a default office. Now within my demo account, I just have one office and it's called the Zipi team. Now if you're someone that maybe works in multiple offices or has many teams, you will see additional things in this drop-down menu. Now of course the default agent profile will depend on whose deals you want to bring into Zipi, and you can go ahead and select that here. And that's everything you need to know to connect your SkySlope to Zipi.